got a slope, so all of this kind of drains that way. Up here, it's not. So where all the red tape is where we're going to inject, and that's where most of the movement is. So we're trying to do the injection. You got robotics here. That's not moving, but they're concerned about it. So we're injecting where the slope is. If you can look, it's hard to tell on the camera, but you've got it where it's going off to my left. So if you put some water down, all that water would run this way. This warehouse is supposed to be completely flat due to the robotics. So the foundation company has come in and put red tape for every injection point that they want us to do. So that's what we're doing. And we're working this way up, and that will stop it from moving. And then they've got another process that they're gonna come in with mud jacking or foam to jack it back up in certain places and to keep it from moving. But the key area, or the key point that I'm trying to make is that you've got to treat the ground before you do foam, mud jacking, piers, or anything else. You want to get it to its potential PVR. Now we've had 15 inches of rain over the last 3-4 weeks in the Dallas Metroplex. But when we drill down through this concrete, it's dry, dry, dry. But over a period of time, for whatever reason, Mother Nature will water will start migrating in again and start moving this. And that's what's happened. They did this project 4 or 5 years ago, mud jacking it, and it continues to move. And that's why they called us, to get the ground from stop moving, so then they can come in and do their mud jacking.